Hello friends, welcome back to the Code Generator. This is your Nandini and I'm back with a new video with a new topic for you in Java. So yeah, as you can see, our topic for today is while loop in Java, which is very interesting and very important and mandatory for every developer and for me as well. It is very interesting. So just move with the next, not wasting time. So yep, we'll see first what are the loops. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. And loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make code more readable, so which is a big advantage for every developer. And the next one is the first loop we will see is while loop. The while loop loops through a block of code as long as specified condition is true. Okay, so we are going to understand this while loop practically in order to understand deeply. So before that, we'll just see the syntax. So while in bracket condition, whatever we want to put, and in the curly braces, the block of code to be executed. Okay, so let's see with the example practically. So before that, before writing anything, I need to write main method, and let's say I will initialize I is equal to 0 maybe. Then I'll start using while loop, and while in the bracket I say condition as I is less than 4. Okay, it can be anything according to you. I am using less than 4, and I'll say I want to print the value of I. The value of I is. I'm just doing this only in order to display in the pretty way. You can directly print the value of I as you want, and then in the next line I'll increase the value of I. That will be I plus plus. Okay, so what do you think? What will be the output for this? So, okay, what do you think? What will be the output for this? The output will be it as I have initialized I is equal to 0. Then that's why it will start with 0. Then it will say the value of I is 0. Then it will increase the value of I, and the condition is I is less than 4. Then it will maybe print 3. So what do you think? 3 or 4? Yeah, it's 3, but let's see. Okay, yeah, the very simple one. I is less than 4. That means it will print till 3. So that's it with the while loop. Let's move further. Oh, that was very easy. And next one will be the do while loop. The do while loop is variant of the while loop. This loop will execute the code block once. Before checking if the condition is true, then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. So there is no more lot of difference between while loop and do while loop. The only difference is this loop will execute the code block once. Before checking if the condition is true, then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. So no worries. So before moving with the practical one, with the practical code, just we'll see the syntax that do in the curly brackets the code block to be executed, and the while condition that we used to write in the initial stage in the while loop. So let's see the example for this. So for you, I'll just make it easy. Just remove while from there and and add while here. So this was the condition for this, and put semicolon. Okay, So just save it. So what it will do? It will print from I is equal to 0 till same less than 5. Let's change the value less than 5. Let's save it and just print it. So yep, it started with 0, then it ends with 4 because 4 is less than 5. So yep, the very easy one, easy example for you. You can try many more examples in very another ways. So it was very easy to understand. And yeah, that's it for today. We will learn some more loops in the further videos. And in this video, if you're having any doubts, you can find me on the Instagram, or you can drop me mail as the mail ID is mentioned over there, or simply you can ask any questions in the comment section. I'll answer to your questions. I'll answer your doubts. So please watch this video and just like, subscribe, and share. And if there is any problem with my video, just comment it out. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.